Guys, this is my hair. Look what I did, guys. I straightened this hair. A little balding right there, but it's okay. I've had this hair in for July, August, September. Oh, 2 months. Yes, and I'm back to give you guys the final review. So in this video, I'm just gonna be curling the hair, and yeah, I'm gonna let that be the final, like, to conclude it. Like, this hair curl, you need to go down into the description box and watch part 1 of this video, because this wig was curly. This was a curly wig, but I was over it because the curls started matting up and I was over it. So I've just been wearing this hair straightened in a bun, so this is how it came out straight. But yeah, today we're gonna see if it curls. So without further ado, if you haven't watched part 1, stop this video, come back to it, but go watch part 1 first. And then if you have watched part 1, keep on watching and make sure you're subscribed, and let's get into the video. So guys, I have my flat iron, and I know this looks crazy because I literally just straightened it and then pushed it all back because I didn't know if I wanted to curl it in a side part or a middle part. So we're gonna see how it just comes out. I'm honestly just winging it. So okay, so I'm just gonna put it in a ponytail so that we can have sections. But first, I'm not really gonna cover like the details because that's all in part 1. Like as far as shipping, lace color, the price of the wig, where to find the wig, all that is in part 1. So I'm just gonna basically be just seeing if this hair curls, because I'm honestly very impressed with how it straightened. It straightened not bone straight, but it straightened like, this looks like a natural straighten. Like, this is naturally my hair. Oh, I'm sorry guys, I'm in the bathroom, so the toilet bowl gotta do its thing, okay? So I'm going for like this kind of like Shirley Temple, you know, cute shoulder curl kind of look. But we're gonna see how this comes out because I haven't curled hair in a long time. And the hair is not cut even, so don't come for me, because when it was curly I just kind of cut how I wanted it to be. And that's also in part 1. Anyways, enough talking. Let's get into the video. Oh! It looks so pretty! I am so impressed with this curl. Can't wait to finish curling some more, so let's finish. I guess you can say that the wig lasted a long time, but that's because I upkept it. I'm gonna let you in on a little trick on how to upkeep your wigs. If you're like trying to upkeep your wigs and you paid a lot of money for it and you don't feel like, you know, it's time to throw it away, when you reinstall it, just keep trimming the lace down. Trim it down. Like, that's why I really love a 13x6, like a 6-inch parting space, because you have a lot of parting space to work with. So I just kept on trimming the lace down and reinstalling it to my liking. And yeah, well, I suck at curling like the other side of my hair. Let me see how this is not curled right. I don't know why I went this way. Yo, I don't know how this is about to look. Overall, I would give this wig probably a 7.5 or an 8. The reason I'm not giving it a 10 is because the lace, when it first came, like when I first got it, it was green. And that's false advertisement because in the description, it said HD transparent. They could at least given me like a transparent. I know it wasn't going to be HD, but a transparent lace would have been fine. This lace was so dark. It looked like a light brown or a medium brown lace color, but it had a green tint. So that was annoying. I've had curly hair in the past and it has never knotted or matted up the way this hair matted up. This hair didn't even have a consistent curl pattern. It had mixtures of curl patterns in it. So they lost me with that one. This hair just might win they little 2 points back the way it's curling and straightening. No curly hair you know can curl and straighten like this. Okay. Look at it bouncing back. The highlights on this hair are really pretty. At first I didn't like them because I felt like they were just unnatural and they were just, I don't know, I just wasn't feeling them. But I've adjusted and I really like them. And I really like them now. By the way, I am curling my hair with the Hot Tools flat iron on 450 heat. But I found that maybe that's why it's so straight. When I flat ironed it on, you know, a regular person temperature, like 430, I think, or 400, it didn't get as straight. But when I put it on 450, it's straight. And it's not like it's stiff either. Look at this. So I don't know. This is what we're looking like so far with 80% done. This side is curling this way and this side is curling away from my face. And I just never could get the hang of curling this side of my hair. But I'm gonna turn. Don't judge me on how the bag looks. I haven't even seen the bag. I just been curling. So I'm gonna show y'all a 360 real quick, and then we're gonna just finish this top little portion right here. But overall, we can say that the hair curls, and I might just give this hair. Okay, guys. So maybe I shouldn't have shook it up, but this is how we're looking. So we can definitely say that the hair curls because these curls are cute. So I'm just gonna brush it out. Hopefully this comes out some kind of cute, because then if it doesn't, I'm gonna be so mad that I wasted all this time curling my hair for it to not come out cute. So let's see. I think I want it to fall this way. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'm probably gonna keep playing with it because I don't know how I feel about this side, but I really like this side. Really like it. Let me go ahead and give you a little turnaround. I'm scared though. Okay guys, I think this video is done. I'm gonna still keep playing with it, but I hope you guys enjoy watching me curl this hair. Make sure you check out part 1 so you can get the details on this wig. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.